Beets are a root vegetable known for their vibrant red, purple, or golden color and earthy flavor. They are rich in nutrients, including fiber, folate, vitamin C, and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to your meals. Beets are versatile and can be eaten raw, roasted, boiled, or pickled, and their greens are also edible and nutritious. Often used in salads, soups, or also as a natural food dye, beets are celebrated for their health benefits and culinary versatility. Beets have been cultivated for thousands of years, originating in the Mediterranean region around 2000 BCE. Initially, they were grown primarily for their leafy greens rather than their roots, which were smaller and less prominent. By the Middle Ages, beet roots became more widely used as a food source, particularly in Europe. In the 18th century, the discovery of their high sugar content led to the development of sugar beets, revolutionizing sugar production and agriculture worldwide. Beets are great for gardening because they are easy to grow, quick to mature, and thrive in various climates, making them a versatile crop for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. They require minimal space and can be grown in beds, containers, or even small garden plots. Beets are dual-purpose plants, offering both nutrient-rich roots and flavorful leafy greens for harvest. The best time to plant beets is in the early spring, about 2 to 4 weeks before the last expected frost, or in late summer for a fall harvest. Beets prefer cooler temperatures, so planting them in these seasons ensure optimal growth. They can also be planted in late summer for a second crop, as they can tolerate light frost. Be sure to plant beets when the soil temperature reaches around 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 29 degrees Celsius for the best germination and growth. To plant beets, prepare the soil by loosening it to a depth of 12 inches and ensuring it is well drained and fertile. Sow beets directly into the ground, spacing them about 1 inch apart and covering them with a half to 1 inch of soil. Thin seedlings to 3 to 4 inches apart once they are a few inches tall to allow room for proper root development. Beets prefer consistent moisture, so water them regularly, especially during dry periods, to support healthy growth. That was Beets in 100 seconds. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, and as always, happy growing.